This is your V250 baler. Now when you receive it, if I go around the back, here on the tank at the back, you can see now there is a red bung. It's a breather cap for air to go through into the tank when the machine's working. When you receive the baler, it'll actually have a steel bung which is airtight. You must remove the steel bung before operating the machine. Okay, so you must take that steel bung out and then replace it with this filler cap, which is a breather and also used as a dipstick to check how much oil is in the tank. Okay, so that's something that you must look at before you operate the machine. You must take out the solid bung, which is airtight, and put in this breather cap. Thank you. Please be sure the V250 baler normally is powered by three-phase electricity. That's 415 volts. So please be sure that you have three-phase electricity connected to this machine. Ours actually runs on what we call three-phase earth. So you're only going to find 4 wires in the cable. Okay, it's three-phase earth. That's good.